Radishes are widely popular, consumed from north to south as one of the most common vegetables. Like cabbage, they belong to the most ordinary and simple class of vegetables. Fresh white radishes are very crisp and have a refreshing taste. Suitable for both raw and cooked consumption, they are also widely used in traditional Chinese medicinal diets. Commonly cultivated everywhere, they are among the world's oldest cultivated crops. White radish is a semi-cold tolerant vegetable. In most regions, they can be planted in 2 seasons each year. They are best suited to deep, sandy soils. Before sowing, the ground is prepared by plowing, fertilizing, and ridging. Sowing. After sprouting, the seedlings grow quickly and must be thinned in time to prevent crowding and shading, which can lead to spindly growth. Cultivation includes hoeing, earthing up, and weeding. Pest and disease control. Harvestable after 50 days. Washing.